Alright, I wanted to make a video of our Laredo, Texas Melton truck lines terminal. Definitely not as fancy as our Tulsa terminal, but still pretty nice. There are a lot of trucks here waiting right now to get loads. Alright, if you see that truck, that is one of our 1,000,000-mile drivers. Once you hit 1,000,000 miles with Melton, you get to customize your own truck. A lot of special colors you can get. Alright, the trucks back here, they actually have loads assigned to them. Most are leaving out in the morning, like we are. And this is our truck. Pretty nice. T680 Kenworth. And it looks like we're hauling some steel beams. All this was secured by me today, and we are taking it to New Jersey. It's about just shy of 1,900 miles from here. So yeah, it's kind of a good collection of different things that we carry. Those white beams there, they are part of a roller coaster, is what I'm told. We have a couple people carrying those up to South Carolina. Got some more metal beams. Not sure what that is. It's covered. Probably some metal. More beams, more beams. Those are like frame rails, actually. Air conditioners. Pay attention and orientation about these guys, because there are special ways to tie them down, and they do change. This one looks like it has 4 different ones. The one on the end down there, or the front, looks like it's chained down from the side there. And on these guys, you have steer bit points on each end. Now, what's going to happen with this guy? He is probably not within DOT specs, because you're supposed to have one and another strap within the first 5 feet of your load. So you want to have 2 within the first 5 feet. So what I've been told to do with these is do your end straps, and then you'll throw one more here in the middle, and just not tighten it down so much, because the AC units they'll bend. But there you go as well. So you got some suicide, what we call suicide coils there. They haven't been strapped down yet. And there's part of the roller coaster that's going to South Carolina. So there you have it. All these pretty loads, and I get the load of rusty ass steel going to New Jersey. I'll see if I can't make a video of them unloading it for you guys, depending on where we are. Some places don't allow video.